Hi witches, welcome to my kitchen. Can you tell that a literal witch works here? I mean, come on. Anyways, today I'm going to show you a recipe for a drink that I make when I am really anxious or really restless or need some help. So we're going to start out with some cinnamon, which is associated with success, healing, luck, prosperity, and amplification of other herbs. I also have some clove for love and protection, some turmeric for healing, and it's also anti-inflammatory, as well as some ginger for prosperity, abundance, and love. Your preferred milk, like milk, it can be plant-based or otherwise, honey, and then just a mug, like your favorite mug. Next, I'm going to just basically pour my milk into a cup or the desired mug. And I fill it like 3/4 of the way, I guess. And just pour that into your saucepan. I feel like that's the easiest way to like measure everything out, because I don't feel like saying like, oh yeah, use a cup, when that may not be enough, or you might want more. And then from there, basically, I just use, okay, as I spill it all in there, great, awesome. But basically, I just pour the milk in, pour the honey in, and we'll add a dash of each of the spices just to your liking. So at one point, I definitely spill a lot more turmeric in there than I meant to, but luckily it is kind of tasteless. So if you guys are familiar with like cinnamon and cloves and ginger and stuff like that, you guys kind of know what the flavor is. And if you're not so much familiar with turmeric, it really just kind of adds that color. It doesn't have like a terribly overpowering flavor, so I just wanted to give you guys that. And yeah, basically add things to how you want it. There's no set like exact recipe. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of this, and I hope that my rambling in the kitchen helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.